Okay, today we're trying something new. Guys, let me tell you something. Owning a dog is mad expensive. Charlie decided to wake up one day with an infected eye, and I'm like,
how dare you?
His eye was all red. So then I had to take him to the freaking vet, which is, I'm joking, guys. I love Charlie. Of course I'd do that for him. I was at the vet. They cashed me out, and they're like,
that'll be $200, sir.
200, wait, what? $200 for what? I was in here for 10 minutes. My bill came to $200. Now you're like, why, Dan? Well, it cost $100 to get a professional vet technician consultation, which I was pissed at. I'm like, I paid $100 for that? Then I had to pay for the eye drops, and there was like tax on the eye drops. I don't know. Anyways, I've been having a battle with Charlie to put these little eye drops in. And Charlie's small. You guys have seen Charlie. He's tiny. Imagine the size of his eyeballs, okay? Trying to aim a drop in the little guy's eyeballs while he's like,
Dad, what do we do? What is that, Dad? Oh, shoot.
Anyways, what's up, everybody? Today we're doing a style of video that will be reoccurring on my channel. I'm not gonna pick a set day. I'm not gonna make any promises. I've ordered a ton of cool products online that will be coming to me within the next 3 weeks, and I'll be doing unboxing and reviews. Now, these are products that I find so cool, and I think you guys will actually really enjoy them as well. I was scouring the internet, and I was like, what could be kind of fun to do? What's something I haven't done in a while? Yeah, a face mask. When was the last time you did a face mask? I hate messing up more than anything. When was the last time you guys actually did a face mask? You sat down and were like,
Yeah, I love this shit.
Today we're gonna do that. It's a beautiful Tuesday, feeling a little naughty. I actually found this product somewhere else, but I bought it on Amazon. Right here, see, you can tell from the little smiley face. Actually, I hope this is the yeah, it is, okay, good. Cool, so this is it right here. The company is called Aliver. Or Aliver, probably. There, you guys can see it right there. That's the company. Came in plastic wrap, which you know what that means? Oh, you don't? Oh, well, it means ASMR. Kick it! F you. Plastic wrap is like hard. What's inside of this box is a face mask, but it is a magnetic face mask. Usually with face masks, you gotta really scrub or they hurt like hell trying to peel them off. What this is supposed to do is you put it on like a normal face mask. Now, since I have a beard, I'll only be going from here up. Apparently, it comes with a magnet inside. Once the face mask is done, you just take the magnet and just go over your face, and it's supposed to like lift off and hit the magnet. It doesn't really make sense to me. Anyways. Is it just me or is this not satisfying for anybody? Stuck to the box. Disappointed in that. Oh, don't fall, little guy. Okay, this is what is inside the box. We've got a little spreading knife. It comes with a little paper butthole right here. On this side, we have the magnetic mask. God, this is nice, man. This is like a really nice case. And then it comes with, as promised, the magnet. To prove to you guys that it's a real magnet, it holds the scissors. The box does not come with any instructions, so I'm just gonna apply it like a normal face mask. Oh, gross, look. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse my face, open up my pores, put this on, and then let it dry, I guess. Okay, these pores are open. Now, since there is no instructions, I'm assuming this little butter knife thing is to apply it. Let's give that a scoop. Ooh, it kind of burns. This isn't spreading. Oh, I'm using the wrong side, you idiot. It smells good though, like, I think it really smells good. Now, since I have a beard, this is pretty much the amount that I could put on. Oh, I'm getting good, baby. I'm getting good at making this thing smooth, look at that. I got a bit of it on my thumb, what happens? Oh my God, it actually worked. I'm gonna leave this on for what, 10 minutes? Like 15 minutes? Hopefully, we'll get this thing off with this magnet. I'll be back. Okay, quick update, guys. I had this all over my hands, and I wanted to get it off, so I figured I'll rinse it off in the water. It does not come off with water at all, which is a little worrisome. Like, it kind of just spreads like oil. Like, look, it's still all over my hand. This magnet better get this fully off. I got somewhere to be in literally an hour and a half, and I'm not showing up like this. Hi, guys, it's Stan. Nice to meet you. Magnetic mask, anybody? Doesn't come off, right? It doesn't feel like my skin is breathing at all. It feels greasy. Don't know if I'm supposed to let it dry. Oh my God. Hold on a second. I just so freely applied this on my face without checking to see if I'm like allergic. Oh my God. Oh my God. What the f? Oh my God. This is so freaking unreal. As I was talking there, I was just kind of playing with the magnet. It's completely off my thumb and now on here. No way. Oh my God. See how my hand is dirty? Watch this. It's clean. Okay, there's my thumb. Watch this. It's gone. Yo, I'm ready for it. Let's switch. I think we should switch lenses for my face then. Hold on. Oh, wow. Hey. Okay, this is mad close. We're almost ready. I want to show you guys, actually, let me get a close-up on my phone. You can see right here, I've got the mask, like, residue all over my hand, right? You take this magnet and watch this. It's like a freaking magic trick. Watch, ready? What the hell? Guys, this is so, like, crazy weird. Oh. Oh my God. Yo, I can feel that like it's a coin. I still can't get it. I'm trying to get you a good shot so you can see. All you got, I'm not touching my skin at all. Okay, watch. I'm gonna hover right over my skin. There's my chic cheek. Ready? Not touching. Literally didn't even touch my skin. Did you see it? Guys, I cannot be the only one that finds this so freaking cool. My skin feels sort of greasy underneath. Yeah, it's like super greasy. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and remove all of the mask, but in a sped up version. Let's do it. Maybe you have to try it to really understand my excitement here, but. You see it jump? Look at it, look at it, look at it. You see this? That was a good shot. Oh, it looks like I got a unibrow. Oh my God. Oh, I wish I showed you that one. Let's see if we can get it here. Watch, ready? Do you guys see this jumping? That's probably the best shot that I can get showing you guys. It still works, right? That's me rubbing it. So the removal process is pretty good, to be honest. It's not that hard. It comes off pretty clean. Okay, let's get to the verdict here. Was it cool? Absolutely. It was super cool. I would say it was worth the money as well. I don't feel like there was any false advertising here. It actually did what the commercial showed it did. Like the magnet actually jumped off my face. The magnet was good quality. However, the downside. My skin sort of feels greasy. It doesn't leave my face feeling super refreshed. I would do it again just because it was so much fun getting it off. Sorry guys, okay, quick updates. I actually ended the video. This is after the video, even though the video hasn't ended yet. I just rinsed my face, so I want to correct that and revise that. My skin feels really good. So I rinsed my face. I think it's all I needed to do. Now it feels good. I think it's very rare to find like a cheapish product that actually is worth it. I've been very lucky to have good skin most of my life. I don't put on face masks. I don't put on any creams or cleansers. We'll see. This is probably gonna mess up my skin a bit because I feel like my skin is like naturally balanced. All in all, would I recommend it? Yes. You guys can literally find this anywhere online. I got mine from Amazon, so just go on Amazon and search magnetic mask. You'll find something on there. I ordered so many freaking cool, unique products that I will be testing over the next, I think, 3 weeks. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you guys know right when those videos come out. Click the bell as well because I think that will send you an email. And it's free. It's freaking free, man. It's free. You're gonna see all these cool products that you didn't even know existed for free. There you guys have it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys later.